Here we have this 2019 19-plate Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG Premium Plus. Now this vehicle does come with over £5,500 worth of optional extras included. Now we do have the 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in the satin black with the silver lip, and also the silver AMG brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights, the night pack styling, the Panoramic style front grille. Now the blacked out styling, you get the night pack, so you do get the canards on the front with the black front splitter, which is part of the aero pack. You have your black wing mirrors, your black window trim, your privacy glass on the rear. Being the Premium Plus, you do get the panoramic sunroof, and also coming round to the rear, part of the aero pack as on the front bumper with the canards and the splitter, you do get the rear boot spoiler and also the rear diffuser. Now you do have the black tip exhaust, which also flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. We have your front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, and stepping around you can see that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially with the yellow paintwork and also the black accents all around this vehicle. And there's a quick look of a top-down view of the very cool looking spoiler. Going to the rear, you can find you do have your full leather seats throughout this vehicle with your ISOFIX points, pull down armrest, storage nets, pan passenger in the driver's seat, electric windows, integrated premium Burmester sound system. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated, electric and memory. Brushed metal trim with ambient lighting all over this vehicle. Jumping inside the car, you have your auto lights just down there. Foot on the brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. Multifunction steering wheel or paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. You also have a cruise control and speed limiter, touch pads on either side. Now you do have the heads-up display just up there as well. Digital dash just in front of me with the suede steering wheel with the yellow stitching, and you also have the pinstripe just at the top there as well. Digital dash, so it is fully customizable. Scroll over to the left hand side dial, you do have all these different bits of driving information, as you can see just there. Scroll over to the right, you also have lots of other bits of driving information as well. So you got your horsepower, your lateral G's. Going down one more, you have your satellite navigation map. Now if I press home, you have your heads up display settings just there. Scroll over to the right, stars and displays. You have a few colours to choose from. So the look right now is your sport. Go to classic. It gives you a blue look. Scroll back over to stars and displays. Go to understated. A very slick, minimalistic look. Going back, and then you have your super sport, which is your more race car looking theme. Now going back off of that, I'm going to pop it back into your sport setting, as that is my preferred look to this instrument cluster. Coming over to the screen and sensor, we can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, your DAB radio just there. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity. You can have 2 phones connected at one time. Your different drive modes, so you do get your Sports Plus, Sports, Comfort and Individual, and Slippery. Low wind slippery is reduced power, as you can see just up there. Now I do have the different suspension settings. You have your Sports, Comfort and Sports Plus, as you do get the adaptive suspension in this vehicle. Down here you have your keyless start with your stop start button. You have the ambient lighting in all the lights. I'm going to do the panoramic sunroof down so you can see the ambient lighting in this vehicle a little bit better, as it is a very cool feature to have in this vehicle. The ambient lighting in these new Mercedes is really something very, very cool. Now as it gets a bit dark, you can see the sunroof works I expect it to, and you can see the ambient lighting in more of its light. Now in the dark, this car really does come to life. Coming over to the right, you have your blue. You can have it on different colours, so if I press home and go over and press comfort, go to comfort, you have your seat kinetics, go to ambient lighting and go to colour. You do have a wide range of colours to choose from. You have all these colours which change, so you have your colour mix, or you can have loads of different colours. I like to leave it on red moon, which is like the purple and blue look. You can even see in the vents just there and up there, but you can also have it on a solid colour just like so. Now a cool feature in this vehicle on the dial, so I'm going to turn the temperature up the dial then glows red, turn it down, it then glows blue. It's a very cool feature to have in this vehicle. Put the car into reverse, you can see front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. You have your gloss black trim throughout the interior of this vehicle, very nice feature to have. Storage just down there, so push this forward. Storage tray, USB-C, and 2 nice sized cup holders. This is what you use to control everything happens on the screen if you're not using the touch screen. Up there, all the touch pads. As you do have touch pads on either side, the steering wheel on the right side controls your screen in centre, while the left hand side controls the main screen. Dual zone climate control just down there, control from down here, and it's displayed at the bottom of the screen, or you can click on the climate control menu, just like so. You have your suspension settings just there, so your sports plus, and comfort. Popcorns and manual mode, turn traction control on and off. You can also control launch control by turning the traction control off there. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Extended thigh support on either front seat. You have the heated electric memory front seat there as well, works exactly how you would expect it to on either side. Now, this vehicle is available to take away delivery free, contact us nationwide next day delivery. So HBI Clear comes a fresh service, and we do offer a competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.